Claudio Benghi works by kayak.
Making sure that all the boats are in a nice and tidy configuration.
But he and his wife Gloria joke they came across the pond on another vessel.
You travel the world on a paperboat, yeah.
After all, their creation has 300 of them.
It has to balance the two scale, small and large.
An interactive exhibit called Voyage that viewers will be able to illuminate with their phones.
And when you see that each boat actually lights up and plays with you, it's a very unusual sight.
The display is one of dozens that will transform the Inner Harbor next week. A 1.5 mile stretch of light, art, music, and technology.
Organizers spent more than a year putting LightCity into motion. They were inspired by international light festivals, but say stateside, Baltimore's will be one of a kind.
Most of the light shows currently here in America, however, are holiday kind of light shows. They don't really feature this level of large-scale original light art.
Like Scott Pennington's work.
You're looking at Plaza.
A throwback to carnival lighting.
So much wiring to do and to be done.
That he and his team have been working on for months.
It's going to be really nice that people can walk around and just discover new things.
Back at the piers,
designed to allow people to think back to their youth.
Claudio continues to tinker on just one part of this world-class festival that, for a week, will convert Charm City to Light City. Adam Yosim, Fox 45 News.